Windows 11 has a tool that can record every step you perform on your computer. Let me show you how it works. First, press Windows plus R. Now type PSR and press Enter. This tool is called Step Recorder and it is built directly into Windows. Click Start Record and now everything you do will be captured step by step. It automatically takes screenshot, creates step-by-step guide for you, and the best part, most people don't even know it exists. It is perfect for creating tutorials, reporting bugs, or showing something exactly how to solve a problem on your PC. For example, I am making a new folder and I am trying to convert it into a master control panel. When you finish, click Stop Record. This tool automatically captures screenshots and records each action with a description. This tool is useful for sending step-by-step instruction to IT support, reporting software bugs, creating quick tutorials for friends or coworkers, all without installing any extra software. It automatically highlights main events. It is perfect for creating tutorials, reporting bugs, or showing something exactly how to solve a problem on your PC. Here it created every detail you need to know. Windows will generate a zip file containing a detailed report with screenshots and explanation of every step you performed. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows trick and tech tips.